Hi guys, good morning! Happy Tuesday! So, ang aking mga pears dito ay hinog na. Ayun, napakaraming pears na napick natin last week. At nilagay ko lang siya dito to ripen kasi paborito ni Step yung soft na peras. For me gusto ko yung crunchy, yung hilaw. Para siyang bayabas, crunchy na crunchy. Pero yung aking mga anak gusto nila yung soft and ripe. Ito, yun. Sira na siya. So, this is not good. Siguro, i-chop off ko lang tong party na nasira. Tapos, ano ko lang, halo sa kanilang cereals. Pero marami naman. So, okay lang na itapon ko sa basurahan. Well, I have a compost bin. So, it doesn't matter. Kasi, babalik din yan sa garden ko. Napakarami pa dito, guys. Oh, this one are bigger ones. Oh, malaki yan. Nag-aaway na yung aking mga anak. So, I have a bamboo here. And this one is a ficus tree. Ficus or ficus?
Ficus.
What's going on, girls?
Ficus.
Ayan, napakarami. Ito, I'll put this in the compost bin.
And because summertime is over in South Australia, it's starting to get cooler, especially during the night. Kaya nilalagay ko yung aking mga potted malunggay at pati na rin yung lemongrass ko dito sa veranda during the night para meron siyang protection from cold weather.
Are those trees or something else?
It's called malunggay or moringa.
Did it come from the Philippines? Because it sounds like a Filipino plant.
It is a Filipino plant.
Is that why you have it?
This is my routine the next day. If the sun is out, I transfer these potted plants into an open area wherein masisikatan siya ng sinag ng araw at hindi siya maninilaw. Dapat naman kasi talaga nilalagay yan sa greenhouse, pero this year wala na po akong greenhouse kasi nasira na po. I used to have a small one like this, pero due to extreme weather at sa katagalan ng panahon, nasira na po siya, and I'm a big believer that nothing lasts forever. Unfortunately, everything is temporary, so if you are feeling on top of the world right now, you need to accept that it could change at any moment. It's not about being pessimistic, it's about understanding perspective. This also means that those who are at the bottom won't necessarily be at the bottom forever. Remember, all it takes is one moment to change your life. Everything is temporary, and that brings me to the second point. Life is not fair. You won't always get what you want, and that is because the world really doesn't owe you anything. No one owes you anything, so to think you are entitled to whatever it is you think you are entitled to is a recipe for disaster.
Is that lemongrass?
Yes.
Is it supposed to be dead?
No, it's not dead. That's why we put it in the veranda so the frost won't kill it.
If you didn't get the job you wanted, the trophy you worked for, that's because it wasn't meant for you. It could have been because someone else worked harder than you. It could have been because it wasn't the right timing. Maybe just factors outside of your control. What is important is understanding that this is how it is, and life can be incredibly unfair at times. Kagaya na lamang po ng mga garlic na tinanim ko last week, yung iba tumubo na at napansin ko lang na meron nag-iisang clove dito na hindi siya nakabaon sa lupa. I also noticed na hindi lahat ng mga garlic cloves na naitanim ko dito ay tumubo. Pero may mga broccoli seedlings na tumubo dito at yung iba ay spinach. At ayan si ako naglalaro ng aking anino. I was trying to portray something, a frog or a bird maybe. I was holding the phone with my other hand, so I was having a difficulty portraying something, but perhaps a swan, a flying swan. I don't really know. But in that moment, I was just letting my inner child out. And masarap talaga magiging bata ulit. Yun bang tipong wala kang ibang problemahin? You don't have to think of daily expenses. You don't have to think of your children, yung future nila. You don't have to think of work-life balance. You don't have to pay bills. Yun bang tipong laro, tulog? At pag nagugutom ka, meron na pong pagkain sa hapagkainan. Hay, kung pwede lang sana. Sarap maging bata ulit. Tunay nga na napakabilis ng panahon na parang kailan lang nung tayo musmus pa lamang. Mga panahong walang ibang iniisip kundi ang maglaro ng bahay-bahayan. Takbo dito, takbo doon, takbo buong maghapon kahit magulang man ay magalit. Mga panahong inosente sa lahat at ng mga problema ay di alintana. Panahong bagong tsinelas na sinira ng kalaro ang siyang iniiyakan. Pero ngayon, kasintahan o yung asawa na ika'y sinaktan.